Hi guys, thank you for clicking on our video. Today on this video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys my own technical analysis or how I analyze my trading on spot trading in order to make good profit trading on spot trading. Like I always say, spot trading is always different from futures trading or forex trading, and is very easy and has a very low risk. It's quite different from forex trading or futures trading. So guys, if you want to analyze a trade in spot trading, it's very simple. I'll walk you guys through on how you can do this. First of all, if you look at these futures, if you are using a Bitget, Bybit or Binance, these futures are in all of these are in all of these platforms. If you are using any of these platforms to trade, these futures are in all of these platforms. You have your favorite, you have your hot, you have your gainers, you have your losers, and you have your new coins. So on these futures, all you need to do is, if you go to your gainers, you click on view more, and you click on view more. For me to analyze my trade on spot trading, I don't trade these currencies that are already high. For instance, if you look at these currencies, they have 49% profit already. Okay, Bloom has like 36% profit already. Same with Ivo, same with Linear. All these currencies have a whole lot of profit already. So your target is to buy a coin when it is low, so that you can sell it when it has rise, or when the price have automatically rise, and you can take out your profit. That's your target is spot trading. So you buying these currencies when they are at a high price, automatically they are going to lose. For instance, you see this currency has already buy on this high price, so people who bought this currency at this point are going to make huge sum of money, because they will make a whole profit starting from this point. Let me show you guys. Starting from this point, they are going to make a whole lot of profit to this point. Okay, so if your target is to buy the market when the market is low, and take your profit when the market has increased, you take your profit. That's your only target in spot trading. So buying your crypto when the market is high will lead you to a loss, because automatically, as it has gone high to 64%, it's going to retrench. Retrench means it's going to go down, so it's going to go for a sell. Market does not remain permanently in one position. So once the market is high, the next thing it's going to do, as this one is pumping high, once the market is going high, the next thing it's going to do is to go back low. Okay, so it cannot remain permanently in this high. So all you need to do is to spot when it will go down, so that you can buy. Okay, now when it starts going high, and you monitor your trade, then you can sell and take your profit. So that's the only thing you need to know about spot trading. So guys, if you want to get the perfect spot to buy a currency on spot trading, you don't need to go for these ones that have already buy at 63%, 54%, 49%, or all of this percentage. All you need to do is you go to the ones that have already break a profit. Okay, breaking a profit means, if you look at this page, you have the OST USDT. Let's try to click on it. You see, this one is already, it has already made some sales. If you look at this, it has made some sales from here to this point. So if you automatically place your trade here, okay, this trade is going to for a buy, because it must buy to this point. Okay, it must buy to this point. That's the market does not remain on sell permanently, and it does not remain on buy permanently. So all you need to do is to monitor a trade that has break out a profit. Now once it breaks out a profit, you enter and buy, then you can sell when you make a profit. So I advise, if you want to buy any market, make sure you buy a market that is at 0.30 at plus 0.43%, 3 point, or let's say from 0.43% to like market that is at 2.15 or 2.50%. Okay, let's check this also. This also, although if you are buying this, you are buying it at the very odd time. Yeah, you are buying this because this market is stretching now. So even before you place a buy, make sure you check the chart to understand what is happening on the market. Okay, you make sure you check the chart to understand what is really actually happening on the market. So then, but whenever you are buying, make sure you are buying a market. Make sure you are buying a market that is at 0 point something percent profit. Through this way, you can be able to make good profit and avoid loss on spot trading. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos that will be making on how to make money online through spot trading, and stay tuned.